Prepare for a journey into the cosmos, where we will uncover the mysteries of cosmic oddities known as brown dwarfs. Venture with us into the vast expanse of the universe, brimming with celestial bodies that have intrigued humans for centuries. Unseen by the naked eye, existing in the shadowy corners of galaxies far, far away, these brown dwarfs occupy a unique space in the astronomical landscape. Let's visualize these intriguing entities. They are neither planets nor stars, but something in between. They are oddballs of the cosmos, giants in their own right, yet dwarfs when compared to their luminous counterparts, the stars. Brown dwarfs are a testimony to the universe's diversity and its ability to challenge the norms and classifications we have devised. Be ready to be captivated by their mystery. Celestial bodies are too large to be termed planets, yet they lack the mass to kickstart nuclear fusion in their cores, a characteristic trait of stars. Because of this, they sit comfortably in an astronomical gray area, a category of their own, baffling and utterly fascinating. These mysterious entities are not just curiosities, they hold insights that can alter our understanding of the cosmos. They are cosmic chameleons, changing our perception of what a star can be and what a planet is. As we delve deeper into their secrets, we begin to see the vast tapestry of the universe unfolding before our eyes, filled with more variety and wonder than we could ever comprehend. Prepare to be astounded by these cosmic oddities. These fascinating celestial objects, too large to be planets yet too small to be stars, hold secrets that will astound you. Kicking off at number 10. Brown dwarfs are almost stars, but not quite. They exist in a curious domain of the universe, a realm that is not quite populated by stars, yet also not solely enveloped by planets. These celestial bodies indicate a universe that thrives on diversity, making them incredibly fascinating. Brown dwarfs fall into a unique category, one that is solely theirs, a category that eloquently bridges the gaping divide between the enormity of the largest planets and the minimalistic beauty of the smallest stars. While they are part of the vast cosmic landscape, they are in many ways anomalies, outliers in the conventional classification of celestial bodies. The intrigue behind brown dwarfs is further fanned by the mystery that surrounds their nature and composition, making them a riveting subject of study for astronomers across the globe. Often they are referred to as failed stars, a term intriguingly encapsulates their inability to attain the glory of stars. Their failure isn't due to a lack of trying, but rather their insufficient mass that renders them unable to ignite nuclear fusion within their cores, the very process that gives stars their radiant glow and immense heat. However, this doesn't make them any less significant in the grand canvas of the cosmos. It just offers a different perspective of their existence, a poetic testament to the universe's ability to harbor a diverse range of celestial entities. They are often referred to as failed stars because they lack the mass to ignite nuclear fusion in their cores, the process that makes stars shine. Transitioning now to our 9th key point in this cosmic journey, brown dwarfs. These celestial bodies that continue to baffle the scientific world with their elusive nature are incredibly difficult to detect. You might be asking, considering their notable size, aren't they supposed to be easily visible? Contrary to what one might intuitively believe, they aren't exactly shining examples in the vast expanse of the cosmos. They don't emit the brilliant light that their more famous counterparts, the stars, do. Stars shimmer and sparkle, putting on a show that catches the eye of scientists and dreamers alike. But the brown dwarfs? They're more of wallflowers at this cosmic dance, barely visible to the naked eye, tucked away in the corners of the universe. They're the introverts of the astronomical world, lurking in the darkness, shying away from the spotlight. Their subtle presence makes spotting them an astronomer's equivalent of finding a needle in a haystack. They have always posed a mind-boggling challenge. The ability to locate them requires not only a keen eye, but also a wealth of knowledge and understanding of the cosmos. Only by piecing together indirect clues and employing sophisticated technology can these elusive bodies be detected. Indeed, it wasn't until the pivotal period of the late 20th century that humanity finally acknowledged the existence of these enigmatic objects. The first brown dwarf was officially discovered and documented marking a significant milestone in our understanding of the universe. Counting down to number 8, brown dwarfs are more common than you might think. These fascinating celestial bodies hold many secrets yet to be discovered and truly understood by humanity. When we cast our gazes to the vast void of the cosmos, we often forget about these underrated wonders. Defined as objects that occupy the mysterious realm between stars and gas giant planets, brown dwarfs are challenging our definitions of what a star can be. While they don't have enough mass to sustain nuclear fusion at their cores like stars do, they are significantly more massive than gas giants. Their intriguing properties make them invaluable for scientists. The study of these cosmic bodies can provide crucial data about stellar evolution, the formation of planets, and the intriguing density and composition of the universe itself. Though their sizes are comparable to Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, these dwarfs are incredibly abundant. They are scattered throughout the expansive cosmos, often hidden from our telescopes by the blinding light of their more illustrious neighbors. But their ubiquity doesn't make them any less wondrous or important. Astronomers have devoted years of research to study these fascinating objects. Their estimates are nothing of astounding. Scientists have predicted that there could be as many as 70 billion brown dwarfs lurking in the corners of our Milky Way galaxy. That's nearly one brown dwarf for every star in our galaxy. The implications of this discovery are profound, underscoring just how much we still have to learn about the universe we live in and the variety of cosmic bodies that reside in it. Located at position number 7 on our list of astronomical marvels are the brown dwarfs. Yes, it's surprising but true. Despite their sometimes dismissive label as failed stars, these celestial bodies can and indeed do possess planets. It's a concept that has stirred the imaginations of astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Often viewed as the bridge between the smallest stars and the largest gas giants, brown dwarfs are mysterious entities. They are not massive enough to sustain nuclear fusion in their cores, the process that powers stars. Due to this, they are often termed failed stars. However, this doesn't mean they aren't intriguing or important. In fact, it's the opposite. Brown dwarfs provide an exceptional opportunity to study planetary systems. They host in their orbit what we call exoplanets. These planets, though located outside of our familiar solar system, exhibit a myriad of characteristics that make them of significant interest to astronomers. The exoplanets revolving around brown dwarfs can range vastly in size, composition, and atmosphere. This means that they can vary from rocky, Earth-like planets to gaseous giants akin to our Jupiter. It's a fascinating thought, isn't it? Astonishingly, there's more. Some of these exoplanets could potentially be habitable. Of course, there are a myriad of factors that determine habitability, including distance from the host brown dwarf, atmospheric conditions, and the presence of water. Yet the possibility remains, opening the door to speculation about the existence of extraterrestrial life. So to conclude, at number 7, brown dwarfs can have planets. Yes, you heard that right. Despite their failed star status, brown dwarfs can host planets of their own. These are known as exoplanets and can even potentially be habitable. Now, isn't that something to ponder about? Number 6, brown dwarfs have some pretty wild weather. These peculiar celestial bodies are at the center of some of the most extraordinary atmospheric conditions in our universe, giving rise to an array of incredibly unique weather patterns. To truly wrap your head around the weather conditions on these bizarre objects, you must first put aside your earthly assumptions. Imagine for a moment clouds, not composed of water vapor, but molten iron. Picture these clouds, fiery and metallic, swirling in the alien sky of these dwarfs. The heat required to maintain such molten iron clouds is mind-boggling, dwarfing even the most sweltering days on our Earth. This spectacle is not only visually striking, but also a dramatic testament to the extreme temperatures these celestial dwarfs can reach. But the awe-inspiring weather phenomena don't stop at molten iron clouds. The next weather feature on a brown dwarf is even more fantastical. Picture sand, but not your ordinary sandy beach particles. Instead, imagine sand made entirely of gemstones, scattered across a landscape unlike anything we're familiar with on Earth. This isn't fantasy or science fiction. It's a fascinating reality on these otherworldly bodies. These gemstone sands glitter and shine under the alien starlight, creating a spectacle that would put our most dazzling earthly landscapes to shame. The pressure and temperature conditions on these dwarfs are extraordinary enough to transform simple elements into gemstones, something we would perceive as priceless here on Earth. These are just some of the extreme weather conditions that can occur on these bizarre objects. At the midway point, our list brings us to number 5. Brown dwarfs are incredibly diverse. These celestial bodies, often described as the middle children of universe, are neither full-fledged stars nor planets, but something in between. Just like human beings, they boast a remarkable diversity, existing in a myriad of different forms and conditions, each one unique in its own right. Brown dwarfs can differ extensively in mass, a characteristic of utmost significance in the cosmic arena. The mass of such a body determines its gravity and, in turn, its capacity to retain and accumulate more matter. It is fascinating to observe how these dwarfs, with their varying masses, engage in an eternal dance of cosmic forces, their movements choreographed by the invisible hand of gravity. Temperature is another aspect where they display significant disparity. Some brown dwarfs out there in the vast expanse of space are hot, so hot in fact that they could melt iron. Imagine celestial bodies with such extraordinary heat, power, and energy. The mere thought is enough to leave one in awe of the universe's might and mystery. On the other end of the spectrum, there exist brown dwarfs as cold as the North Pole. The stark contrasts in the temperatures of these dwarfs underscore the broad range of conditions that exist within the universe, painting a picture of a cosmos that is as complex as it is fascinating. Comparing the extremes of scorching hot and freezing cold within the same classification of celestial bodies highlights the stunning diversity that characterizes our universe. And while mass and temperature are key factors, age too plays a role in the dwarf's individual characteristics. Some of these dwarfs are ancient, their existence dating back billions of years, while others are relatively young. This age factor adds another layer to the complexity of their diversity. Concluding our exploration at the halfway mark, we find that brown dwarfs are as cold as the North Pole. The wonderful, vast complexity of these cosmic bodies leaves us marveling at the astounding diversity that exists in the cosmos. Down to number 4, brown dwarfs may be the key to understanding dark matter. These celestial bodies, often overlooked in the grand scheme of the cosmos, may hold the answers we seek in our endless quest to comprehend the universe. So what are these brown dwarfs? Essentially, they are failed stars. Their mass isn't quite large enough to allow for hydrogen fusion, the process that powers stars and allows them to shine brilliantly. Despite this, they still have a significant role to play. Imagine for a moment a vast cosmic puzzle, pieces scattered across an infinite table. Each piece represents a different aspect of our universe. Galaxies, stars, planets, and there, amidst these well-known components, are brown dwarfs. Often considered insignificant, these so-called failed stars could be the missing pieces of the puzzle. The key to unlocking the secrets of dark matter could lie in these enigmatic brown dwarfs. The presence of dark matter, a substance so elusive and mysterious, was first suggested due to the gravitational effects that can't be explained by visible matter alone. It's said to account for approximately 27% of the universe's mass energy composition. Scientists across the globe are studying these brown dwarfs, hoping to glean insights from their unique properties. These objects could provide crucial insights into the nature of this elusive substance that makes up about 27% of the universe. Stepping in at our third spot, brown dwarfs can spin incredibly fast. Fascinatingly, these celestial bodies, also known as failed stars, are no bigger than Jupiter despite their hefty mass. But don't let their diminutive size fool you. These celestial objects have an awe-inspiring ability, which is that they can spin at unbelievable speeds. In the grand cosmic ballet, these brown dwarfs display extraordinary pirouettes that leave even the most seasoned astronomers utterly spellbound. In fact, the speed at which these intriguing objects spin is something that's simply mind-boggling. Some of these minuscule yet powerful cosmic performers can accomplish a complete rotation in less than an hour. This swift rotation isn't just a novelty, but a significant characteristic of these intriguing celestial bodies. It's not just about spinning rapidly. This rotation can lead to other intriguing phenomena that captivate astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. One of the most fascinating aspects linked to this swift rotation is the creation of extremely potent magnetic fields. As they spin, these brown dwarfs generate a magnetic force so powerful that it's comparable to 1,000 times the strength of the Earth's magnetic field. This strength is derived from the dynamo effect, which is caused by the motion of conductive fluids within these celestial bodies. So it's no wonder that the rapid spinning of these brown dwarfs can lead to the creation of mighty magnetic fields. It's a testament to the incredible forces at work within these compact yet potent celestial wonders. The dynamics of these bodies are indeed a marvel of cosmic engineering. Coming back to the main point, the rapid spinning of these celestial objects can lead to extremely strong magnetic fields. The universe, with its infinite expanse and diverse inhabitants, never ceases to amaze us with its continuous revelations and fascinating phenomena. Approaching our second stop, brown dwarfs can be incredibly long-lived. But what makes them so? Let's delve into their existence a bit more to comprehend why. Brown dwarfs, those fascinating entities that exist in that enticing gray area between stars and planets, are unique in many ways. Unlike stars, which are driven by nuclear fusion reactions in their cores, brown dwarfs lack the mass to sustain such reactions. They're not large enough to ignite and burn like a star, yet they're significantly larger than most planets. Their inability to initiate hydrogen fusion, the process that keeps stars like our sun shining brightly, makes their life expectancy incredibly noteworthy. Instead of burning out like a star, brown dwarfs, sometimes referred to as failed stars, cool and fade over an extremely long period of time. This process could potentially take trillions of years, dwarfing the lifespan of any star we know of. They're the cosmic equivalent of the Energizer Bunny. They keep going and going. Unlike their more volatile and short-lived stellar cousins, brown dwarfs do not experience a life cycle marked by an explosive end. Instead, their existence is characterized by a slow, steady cool-down over a time span that is hard for us to even comprehend. Additionally, the longevity of brown dwarfs is not their only intriguing feature. They occupy a unique niche in the cosmos, neither fully a star nor a planet. Their existence challenges our understanding of celestial objects and provides a rich field for scientific exploration. However, one thing we can surely affirm: brown dwarfs can potentially exist for trillions of years. And finally, our journey brings us to the most surprising fact at number 1. Brown dwarfs can be roaming freely in space. These celestial objects, a marvel in their own right, are not bound by common celestial norms. They exist in the vast expanse of the universe, as free as the wind on our Earth. Brown dwarfs, the underdogs of the cosmos, get their name from their distinct coloration. Unlike the striking hues of stars that adorn our night sky, these cosmic wonders are not bright or flashy. They are, indeed, brown. This shade of theirs, however, does not diminish the intrigue they hold. Not all brown dwarfs are tethered to a star, bound by the gravitational pulls and pushes that we, as mere observers, often associate with celestial bodies. Some of them are out there in the great beyond, untethered, unchained, and unequivocally free. They exist in a space of their own, a space where they are not bound to orbit anything, let alone a star. These brown dwarfs are mavericks, the rule breakers of the cosmos. They are rogue, wandering the expanse of the universe as if they have an explorer's heart beating within their core. They defy the conventions, they rewrite the rules, and in doing so, they add to the wonder and mystery that is our universe. The cosmos is filled with anomalies and astonishing wonders, but these rogue brown dwarfs are the ones that defy our expectations and challenge our understanding of the universe. They wander the cosmos without a star to orbit, making them the most surprising fact we've encountered in our journey through space. To recap, brown dwarfs are mesmerizing celestial wonders that blur the boundary between stars and planets. Like celestial chameleons, they operate in stealth, often hiding in the background, undetected and unseen. Their alluring mystery is heightened by their prevalence, being generously throughout the cosmos. Interestingly, these stellar nomads have the remarkable ability to harbor planets, making them intriguing subjects for the study of potential extraterrestrial life forms. Their environment is far from, however. The weather conditions on brown dwarfs are unimaginably harsh, with violent storms and blistering temperatures reigning supreme. The beauty of brown dwarfs lies in their diversity. Each one is remarkably unique, varying wildly in size, mass, and temperature. They are potential keys to unraveling the enigma of dark matter, one of the greatest puzzles in modern astrophysics. They display a dizzying rotation speed, spinning with an intensity that defies comprehension. They possess a lifespan that dwarfs human comprehension, with many expected to live for trillions of years. These celestial nomads are not tethered to any particular star system. Instead, they rove freely, wandering the great expanse of space. The mysteries of these cosmic oddities continue to captivate astronomers and space enthusiasts alike, reminding us that there is still so much to discover in our vast universe. As we journey further into the cosmos, let's not forget we're only just beginning to unravel the endless mysteries that our universe holds. The intriguing enigma of brown dwarfs is merely one of the countless cosmic wonders awaiting our exploration. If you've been captivated by this astronomical odyssey and are eager for more, why not give this video a like if you've learned something new? We're always interested to hear your thoughts, so please share them in the comment section below. Are there other stellar objects or phenomena you're curious about? We'd be thrilled to dive deeper into those topics, so don't hesitate to let us know. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and bell icon to stay abreast with our upcoming explorations. We've got an entire universe to discover together, and we wouldn't want you to miss a beat on this cosmic journey. If you think your friends or family might be interested in the mesmerizing world of brown dwarfs, we encourage you to share this video with them. After all, exploring the universe is always more enjoyable when shared with others. Until our next astronomical venture, keep your eyes on the stars and your curiosity piqued. The universe is eagerly waiting for you.